Hello students, our next chapter, that is chapter 16, the seat of a power, parliaments of the world. Parliament of a country is a legislative body where the elected representatives of the nation meet and form policies. They pass bills and enactments. Let's know them better. Okay, so with the help of the help box, you have to identify the pictures of the parliaments and write in the space provided. Okay, let's see. The first one is, it is the national parliament of Norway. Norway is a kingdom having parliamentary monarchy. It was built in 1861 to 66 by Swedish architect Emil Victor Langet. This parliament is in Norway. You can say Storting or Stortinget. Okay, Stortingent. Next is Folketing. It's the Denmark has a multi-party system. Its parliament has 179 seats. It is the national parliament of Denmark. The name literally means the people's thing. Folketing passes all laws, approves the cabinet and supervises the work of the government. It is also responsible for adopting the state's budget and approving the state's account. It was established in 1849. Until 1953, the Folketing was the lower house of a bicameral parliament called Riksdag. The upper house was Landstinget. It means it Christiansborg Palace on the islet of Slottholmen in central Copenhagen. However, the monarch's role is limited to signing law passed by the legislature. This must be done within 30 days of the adoption. The Folketing consists of 179 representatives, including 2 from Greenland and a further 2 from the 4 islands. Next is National Diet. The National Diet was first convened as the Imperial Diet in 1890 under the Meiji Constitution and took its current form in 1947 upon the adoption of the post-war constitution. It is the Parliament of Japan. It was built in 1930 and opened in 1936. Next is Knesset. Knesset passes all laws, elects the president and prime minister, approves the cabinet and supervises the work of the government, among other things. In addition, the Knesset elects the state comptroller. This is the Parliament of Israel in unicameral and has 120 members elected for 4 years. It is located in Givat Ram, Jerusalem. Next is Bundestag. It is the federal legislative body in Germany. It was established in 1949 as the successor of earlier Reichstag. The most important tasks performed by the Bundestag are the legislative process and the parliamentary scrutiny of the government and its work. The members of the German Bundestag also decided on the federal budget and deployments of the Bundeswehr outside Germany. And the last one is Sansad Bhavan. This Sansad Bhavan is located in Delhi. Parliament House, Sansad Bhavan in Delhi. This iconic building was inaugurated in 1927 by Lord Irwin, the then Governor General of India. The Parliament House comprises of a central hall which is circular in the shape and 98 feet in diameter. The building houses the Lok Sabha, Rajya Sabha and a library hall. Parliament of Republic of India situated in New Delhi. It is the center which decides the fate of Indian democracy. Thank you for watching the video, and the exercise B, that is complete the cross patch, that you have to do it by yourself. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye.